Welcome to another cracking day here in Queensland. So the other day I went and did a rainforest walk down a creek. Well, today let's capture some footage with this Hero 9 slow-mo under the waves, see how it performs. And you know what I love about Queensland? You can be here in the beach in the morning and then rainforest in the afternoon. How good is that? Anyway, back to the beach. Enough from me. This is just another little fun vlog with the Hero 9. Let's get on it.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Oh shit! Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if
you can hear me. I've had quite enough. Let's head to the rainforest. We've made it here to Springbrook National Park, and we will be going down there and then hopefully to a rock pool we can jump into and get some cool footage. So basically I'm going to do this little hike to get down to the bottom of that waterfall, which is Purling Brook Falls. The other place is Northbrook. Maybe it's all the same brook. Anyway, let's go on this little trek and see what we find. So the difference with this trek to the one I did just before, I keep saying trek is like multiple days. This is a hike or a leisurely walk. Anyway, the difference is this one is kept, like upkept by the National Park Foundation, whatever they're called. Anyway, because of that, they put like steps in, all these little switchbacks. So it makes it slightly easier to hike. So, as it is rainforest, it's started to rain, and that's a little thunder. That's okay. This camera's waterproof. This bag is waterproof. I'm happy days. Alright guys, so I've made it down to the pools. So what I'm going to do now is just a little montage of having fun in here. I'm basically trying to capture that special footage for the $1 Million Challenge. Otherwise, let's just have fun.
first, I need to see just how deep it is, because if I'm going to jump into it, I want to make sure it's safe and I don't break my neck. Because you never know with areas like this. Also need to try not to slip here. This is going to be freezing. Oh, that's not that bad. Oh, I know it is, okay. That is fish. Holy moly, it's cold. I don't want to do it. I know I'm going to be freezing going back up. I mean, if I just slip and fall in, I mean, that'll work too. Oh, 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 oh. It's the moment of anticipation before you do it, before the plunge. Also, my legs feel like ice already. Oh, that's pretty. Little rays of sunlight in there. Shut up and get in. Okay. Oh! Oh! That'll do it. Oh. 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 Mate, that is fresh. Oh. Holy. Oh. 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 What? Why do this? Oh, good. Woo! Woo! Let's go. Oh! Woo! That better have looked good. Woo! That's it for today. Thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, and all that good stuff. See you in the next adventure.